KG Nation, it's Jasmine. I'm back today with another video. So today's video is actually going to be a hair video. I know y'all are like, what, sis, coming at us with a hair video? Yes, I am. So today's video is actually going to be a frequently asked questions video about my hair. So a lot of people are really interested in how my hair is so healthy and it's red. And since I just recently redid my roots, you know, hair fresh or whatever, I felt like this will be the perfect time to answer some frequently asked questions, so that way you guys can see in the video like my true hair color. So if you're interested in all the details about my hair, continue to watch. Okay, so the first question I always get is, do I wear extensions? This is going to be like the #1 question. I guess because my hair grows longer in the back than it does in the front, even though it was like that when my hair was relaxed, but I guess some of you guys didn't follow me back then. I do not wear extensions. I do not wear clip-ins. Whenever I do put weave in my hair, I always let you guys know. I had a recent length check, and I'll put that somewhere in this video. And all of that is my hair. And yeah. So to clarify that, this is my hair naturally. Like, this is all me, honey. Like roots. Do y'all want to see roots? Okay, y'all probably can't tell because it's all red, but legit, this is all me, sis. All me. Okay, next question is, what do I use to dye my hair red? And that is going to be the L'Oreal High Lift color in red and magenta. So I mix both of those colors, and I use a 30 developer. And it is by Color Ion Brilliance, and I use it because it is for sensitive scalp. I'm not a cosmetologist or anything like that, so I can't go into like Cosmoprof, or I don't have the ability to get like professional products and stuff like that. So I just use what I can get a hold of. Not saying that this color is like the best color, and there's probably other brands out there, like Guytang has a brand and things like that whose colors are probably so much better, but this is what works for me. I've been using it for years. I've been loving it. It hasn't done anything bad to me, so I continue to use that. So basically what I do, guys, is I mix those together. I do 1 tube of each because my hair is super thick, and I go over that on my roots. And then on the rest of my hair, I actually use Manic Panic's Vampire Red. And for those of you, Manic Panic used to be like popping back in the day. I still use it because it is a semi-permanent color. It legit washes out with every wash. And since my ends are already red, all I am doing is just depositing that semi-permanent color. I'm not going in with any developer or anything like that. So what I do is I take my Manic Panic and a thick base conditioner, whatever I have around the house, nothing specific. As long as it's thick, because I like it to feel like a paste. And I put that on my hair, let that sit for an hour, and then rinse it out, and voila, this is what you have. Once I am done doing that, I like to go in with Olaplex #3. I put that on my hair for about 30 minutes, rinse that out, and then I do my deep condition. And my deep condition always consists of silicone mix. I know everybody's opinion of silicone is different. If silicone doesn't work for you, don't use it. I actually like silicone and how it works in my hair, so I continue to use it. So I do a silicone mix, Jamaican black castor oil, and then I use the Color Ion Brilliance After Color Sealer. And then I choose whatever deep condition I'm loving at the moment. I have about 5 deep conditioners that I am like really digging right now. So if you guys want to see a video on like my top 5 deep conditioners at the moment, leave it below in the comment box, and I can definitely do that for you. So after that, I just let my hair air dry, leave in conditioner, style it, and you know, you get what you see right now. This is it. So that is pretty much how I color my hair. Like I said, I do have a very old video showing you guys how, like, the actual process of me coloring my hair, and if you're interested in that, I'll leave it somewhere down there, description box or up here, something, I don't know, one of those. So another question is, how do I continue to grow my hair even though I color it? So honestly, guys, I have been very low maintenance with my hair, and I find that is kind of the best for me. I feel like the less that I do to my hair, the better my hair does. So at one point, I was trying every protective style in the streets. At one point, I was trying like Flexi Rise and pin curls and roller sets and these different buns and twist outs and 3-strand twists and braid outs and all this other stuff. And I felt like I was just putting more attention in my hair because I was trying to do everything that every other natural was doing. Because according, you know, to the community, protective styles is the way you grow your hair. And honestly, once I really got busy with life and I just left my hair alone, is when it started to kind of flourish and do its own thing and just be out here being luscious. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, once I left it alone, I take care of it, but I'm not like overly like, I have to do a protein treatment every 3 weeks. I have to deep condition on Sunday, and then I have to co-wash on Wednesday. And once I stopped doing all of this stuff that was said to be you needed to do in order to grow your hair, is when my hair started growing. Let's just be honest. So I legit wash my hair once a week, sometimes once every week and a half, depending on how busy my schedule is. Let's just be real. I deep condition maybe 15 minutes just because, like I said, I don't have time to do all this extra baby into my hair. My life is just way too busy for that. And literally my hairstyle majority of the time consists of a wash and go. And it is just because it's so easy to do. And I literally put my hair on top of my head when I go to sleep at night and then let it out, and you know, we repeat it the next day. My wash and goes usually can last a week. But other than wash and goes, my hair is either in a bun or my hair is pulled up at the top and down in the back. And you guys seem to really love that hairstyle as well. But those are literally the only 3 hairstyles that I rock. The next question is, do I put a lot of products in my hair? And honestly, I don't. For my wash and goes, I use a leave-in conditioner, some kind of moisturizing like custard, and every once in a while a gel. So when I say that, it is when I do use gels, I don't like things that makes my hair look crunchy or like ramen noodles. Like I'm not about that life. I like for my hair to be more like fluffy and big, so I try to stick to just mainly the custards, but I will usually put like Eco Styler gel on my edges come like day 3-4 because then they just start looking a mess. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. My wash and go routine is really easy, really simple. So then I always get asked this question as well, and I will address this a little bit more in a nursing video, but do I ever get any complaints or questions, concerns about having red hair while being a nurse? And the answer to that is no. Everyone loves my hair. Doctors especially. Being up here in kind of a little podunk town, they're not really used to seeing stuff like this. So when they see it, they're like, oh my gosh. But overall, the answer is no. I have no problems with my hair at work. The next question is, how often do I trim my ends? And literally, guys, I trim my ends once to twice a year. I know it's super, super bad, but honestly, I only like to trim my ends when my hair is flat ironed. And I usually straighten my hair for my birthday, and then I like to do it once at the end of the year, like around Christmas time. But sometimes around Christmas, I just have no energy to do it and I don't straighten it. So if I don't straighten it towards the end of the year, then I cut it only in July because it's straight from my birthday. Other than that, if I see like any stringy pieces or any knots, I'll just go in and clip those, like just cut them out. I don't hold on to them. If I notice there's a piece that is like straight and is not getting curly, Jasmine has no time for that. I'll just cut it out. I do not care. And then once I straighten it, I will cut off any dead ends, any split ends, and then try to even it out. And I'll usually have my husband go through the back and blunt cut it. So that is that. So I get this question a lot as far as how long I have been natural. And honestly, guys, I really, at this point, I don't know. I would have to like go back and research that because I don't know. But I honestly just don't know at this point. Okay guys, and the last question is, do I ever consider dyeing my hair any other color than red? And the answer to that is absolutely yes. I think about it all the time and then I chicken out. I even did like a Facebook, Instagram post like maybe 6 months ago, and I was like, should I keep the red hair, go back blonde, go back black? I absolutely hate brown hair on me because I feel like it's the same color as my skin, and then I just look dirty. I've tried brown hair and it just looks really weird, so I would never have brown hair, like ever. I can say that with a definite, unless I die and somebody decides to put like a brown wig on me. But other than that, I am not gonna ever have brown hair. But I honestly contemplate going back to black or blonde often. But then I just chicken out. I just redo my hair, I refresh my red, and then I'm back in love with it. My husband loves my hair red. A lot of people just love it red. I love it red. So if at any time I feel like red is no longer doing it for me, I'll consider going back black or blonde. But until then, you guys are going to get this red hair. And for those of you guys who don't like it, I don't care. Okay. Okay, so that wraps up this frequently asked questions video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to leave it below in the comment box. Hope you guys enjoyed this hair video because it's been a minute since I brought you one. Also, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. Turn on your notification button because YouTube be tripping and don't send you guys all of my videos, so that way you never miss any new videos that I post. Because, you know, every once in a while, I'm going to throw something new at you guys. So, you don't want to miss it. And make sure to follow me over on Instagram. And until the next video, I'll talk to all you guys later. Bye. Mwah.